And whenever you start getting multiple gap up opens, that's telling you that you're getting close to a blow off top. All right, now I know I said those patterns were the last thing we want to cover, but I just wanted to flip over to the MicroStrategy chart to talk about identifying blow off tops or blow off moves generally, because MicroStrategy has great examples of those. And some of these rules can apply to Bitcoin as well, but we're here to talk about blow off tops, not cup and handle patterns. And if we're looking at this blow off top, there is a clear hallmark on equities to every blow off top, and that is gap up opens, where you can see we have gap up opens here, here, and here. And whenever you start getting multiple gap up opens, that's telling you that you're getting close to a blow off top. There's a little bit more we can take away from this than just gap up opens, because that only applies to equities on the daily chart. Crypto, you don't get to see that because it trades 24/7. The other thing that's a hallmark of a blow off top is increase in size in candles. So you can look at all our average candles over the last year. And what changes right here? Well, obviously we're already in a fairly strong uptrend, but it has good structure in terms of just that stair step of higher highs, higher lows, the whole way up, right? And then all of a sudden the clip increases and we just start going vertical in our price action. So the intensity of the price action to the upside, that increases. And what else? The size of the candles gets so much larger. So seeing larger candles, gap up opens, and an increase in the velocity of the move to the upside, those are all telltale signs of blow-off tops. If we're applying this blow-off top logic to crypto, a couple of the same rules apply in terms of the velocity of the move and the larger candles. And the other telltale sign for crypto of a blow-off top incoming is shorter and shorter corrections. So a correction that may have taken a couple of weeks to recover from in the earlier part of a bull run will now get bought up in a day or 3 days. And it's just telling you that there's a lot of froth in the market and buyers are stepping in aggressively. So if you're looking at the speed of corrections along with the size of candles and the velocity of the move, those are all signs to you that a move might not be sustainable.